there, Sally again. I want to kick off talking about the 50-30-20 rule. I've seen loads of people talking about this on TikTok, and if you don't know what it is, basically the 50-30-20 rule is where you spend 50% of your salary on your fixed costs, which would be your rent, mortgage, council tax, things like that. 30% on your variable costs, which would be shopping, going out, buying clothes, food, stuff like that. And then 20% on savings. Now, the average salary in the UK at the moment is £30,000. Now, to apply this rule, if you earn a decent amount of money, well above the average wage or the average salary, then that's absolutely fine. But if you're earning £30,000 a year, bring home pay is going to be about £2,065 a month. Now, 50% of that is £1,032. Now, I don't think that's realistic to be able to say that your fixed costs are just going to be 50%, because the average rent in the UK at the moment is about £1,000, depending on where you live. Clearly, it's much higher in London and much lower up north, but as a general rule, it's about £1,000. Now, if your rent is £1,000, and then you add your council tax and your electricity and your gas and your other fixed costs on top of that, that doesn't include, of course, if you've got any loans and stuff that need to be paid as well. In my mind, I think your fixed costs are potentially going to be round about 70% of your salary, not 50%. And then, of course, you've got to find the money to eat and to go out and to do the other things that you want to do as well. So I think saying that you need to save 20% of your salary is unrealistic in the current economic climate, as far as I'm concerned. Saving is important. Obviously, you know, you need to make sure that you've got money if there are things that you are looking forward to in the future, like holidays, for example, or, you know, you might have an emergency where you need to take time off work, or your car breaks down, or whatever. I don't know. But, you know, it is important to have savings. But I think when money is really tight, it's the last thing on your mind, and I totally get that. However, what I would say is my piece of advice for today would be open a savings account with the bank that you're with and try and put up to, if you can, up to 10%. You don't have to. Even if you just put £10 a month away is better than nothing, but think on the basis of 10%. So for your £2,065 salary, you're looking at around about £200, which is a lot of money. I get it, but, you know, try and save something, because it helps your mindset then. You're actually putting a little bit away. Like I say, even if it's only a £5, a £10, 20 quid a month, it's something, and you'll be surprised how quickly it does build up. So if you're not used to saving, it's a good way to actually just start on that path, really. I hope you found this information useful. And if you did, please follow me and like this video. And please, again, like I said in my first video, please let me know what it is you want answers to. If you're struggling with something, or you're not sure about something, or whatever it is, ask the question, and if I can help you, then I will. If I can't help you, I will certainly point you in the direction of somebody or somewhere where you can get help. So please do ask the question. I'll see you next time.